Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hey, how's it going today? I have some footage from Bob snowing there in Kansas. So we're going to catch up with the weather. We'll see what the radar says and we'll see what Bob's got. I watch Ryan Hall, y'all, to keep up on my weather. And look at the storms that's coming right in the Midwest where Bob is and where Wyatt is. So we'll see if we can get some real-time footage from Bob and Wyatt on this snowstorm that's going to hit. We got snow today too, Bob. Here's our snowstorm. I'm on my drive to work this morning. I joined with the Fresco channel live and it was fun talking with them. Florida. That's not what kind of weather we got here. Check it out. Yep, that's what we got here today. Brr! Snow. 18 above, which is nice, but cloudy, of course, because there's snow. Here we go. Check this out today, guys. Back in Iowa, Wyatt's got
snowing pretty good out here right now. We're supposed to get I think 5 to 8 inches tonight. I don't know, the weather guys keep changing it, but we're supposed to get 40 maybe 50-mile-an-hour winds tomorrow, and then it's gonna get pretty cold for here. Still coming down, starting to accumulate. Supposed to snow like this all night long, other than sometime before long this wind's going to pick up and it's really going to come. Out for a ride after the snowstorm. We got about 6-7 inches, but the roads are starting to drift over pretty good. It's going to be a fun day. Wind keeps blowing, I'm going to be snowed in because it's going to drift over these roads. Temperature's going to plummet the next couple of days. I think by Saturday it's going to get pretty chilly for Kansas. The high is around 4 degrees, I think. Not as cold as Alaska, but with the wind blowing, it's almost as bad. Almost as cold. Drifting pretty good up here. Well, I think I'm going to go in and put on my electric socks, keep my feet warm.
in Minnesota. Jeff has his kids skiing down the ski area. So cute. Let's jump over there and check them out.
Go, Emily, go! job, girls.
And now, back to Bob. You see, got more snow today.
Well, the road graders finally come through. We're not snowed in anymore. Well, we got more snow coming Thursday. Yeah, some of these drifts are about 2-3 foot deep. Definitely got to go do some rabbit hunting. This is walking back to the back 20. I'm gonna try to get my Yamaha back through here. I think I can make it pretty good. Knock some of the snow out of these trees. I need to get my tractor out of there so I can grade the driveway. Beautiful day today. The wind's gone down. I think it's about 35 degrees. Yeah, now they got the roads cleared. I gotta go back to work tomorrow. Yeah, it's like a winter wonderland back here. Well, okie dokie.
Thanks for watching.